Hello, my most amazing pre-K artists. This is the first video I am making for y'all. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do today. I hope you enjoyed the book Turkey Trouble. And today we are going to make our very own hand turkey. So when you go to your seat, you will have no supplies. You're just going to have a piece of paper and one of the teachers will come by. You're going to put your hand on your paper. You can put it anywhere you want. You can put it over here. You can put it over here. You can put it at the bottom. You can put it over close to the top. But you're going to put your hand on your paper somewhere and make sure that your whole hand fits. And your teacher is going to trace your hand. It may be a little tickly. Okay, so we're going to trace your hand. And when we're done tracing your hand, we are going to close the bottom like that. And teachers, you guys are going to draw a line right here. Okay? Now, what we're going to do next is we are going to take our fingers and we're going to outline them in different colors. So you can do whatever colors you want your turkey feather to be. So I'm going to outline this in purple. And then I can outline this one in orange. You can do whatever colors you can choose. I might have a yellow feather. Outlining it just means I'm going to kind of go right on top of that pencil line and draw right on top of it. And then let me see, I think I want a red feather. I like these colors. They remind me of fall. I think about fall leaves and the trees changing colors, and these colors remind me about fall. Then what you're going to do is you are going to color in your feathers. Okay, you can just color in lightly. Color in as neatly as you can. Try to stay in the lines. I'm going to color my yellow feather. I'm going to color my orange feather. And what is the last feather I need to color in? Do you see it? What color is it? My purple feather. I'm going to color in my purple feather. Alrighty. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a brown. And I am going to trace the rest of my hand and my thumb. Okay, you see my thumb? There's my thumb. That was my thumb. So my thumb is not a feather. My thumb is going to be the turkey's head. So your long fingers are your feather. Then I'm going to color this in. So take your time. Color neatly. Color, color, color. You're coloring with the brown. And color in the neck and head of my turkey. I'm trying to color very neat. I'm trying to stay in the lines. So staying in the lines may be difficult for you guys. Y'all are just 4 or 5 years old. But you can do it. If you just try your best and you go slow and you look at where you're coloring, you can stay right in the lines. I like to color right up next to the line. That helps me stay in the line. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is you need to get an orange or a yellow. It doesn't matter, whichever one. I'm going to use orange. And right here where the thumb is, at the bottom right here, I am going to draw a triangle to be my turkey's beak. And I'm going to color it in. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes straight down and a line that goes straight down. What do you think that is? I hope you said it's his legs. And I'm going to draw some lines for his feet. You draw 3 coming out. You can draw 4, whatever you want to do. And then the last thing I'm going to draw today is the turkey's wattle. And the wattle is the little red piece of skin that hangs down under the turkey's beak, or it might even go up on the turkey's beak. So I'm going to just draw that and color it in. I said that was the last thing I was doing. There's one more thing. How can my turkey see without an eye? Let me grab a black, and I'm just going to do a black circle for my turkey's eye. All right, that's all I'm going to do today. Next week, we're going to paint on these, and it's going to be so much fun. Do your best with your turkey. The main thing that I want you to do today, the main thing I want you to accomplish is coloring neatly, okay? This picture will stay up on the board, and that way you can look at it. If you forget what to do, you can also raise your hand if you don't remember what to do, and a teacher will help you. Have fun!